Hello students, in this part we will discuss about the circulatory system in frog. Circulatory system in frog. Circulatory system is how the blood circulates through all over the body in frog. Before circulatory system, we know that there are three main components. One is organ and two main components of blood which help in the circulation in frog. Those are heart, blood and blood vessels. In circulatory system frogs, these three components or three parts help very important role in circulatory system. Firstly, we will discuss on heart. In frog, heart is present for the pumping, means heart act as a pumping machine, जो कि ब्लड को पंपिंग करने का काम करता है. तो it act as a pumping machine. And secondly, there are three chambers in frog of heart. फ्रॉग के अंदर हार्ट में तीन चैम्बर होते हैं. एज वी नो दैट इन ह्यूमन बीइंग देयर आर फोर चैम्बर. अपर टू चैम्बर्स आर नोन एज ऑरिकल्स एंड लोअर टू चैम्बर्स आर नोन एज वेंट्रिकल्स, बट दे आर इन ह्यूमन बीइंग. इन फ्रॉग देयर आर थ्री चैम्बर्ड हार्ट. Out of three chambers, two chambers are auricle, or you can say that atriums, and one chamber is ventricle. The shape of the heart in frog is conical. It means that is wider from the upper side and the lower towards the thinner towards the lower side, narrow towards the lower side. You can say that the shape of the heart in the frog is just like as conical in shape, wider from the upper side and narrower towards the lower side. These two upper side, these two parts means two segments. These two segments are known as auricle and one stands for the ventricles. These are the three chambers of the frog hearts. How these chambers are arranged in the frogs? Firstly, we have discussed that there are three chambered heart. One is towards the right side and one is towards the left side. These two chambers, this is the right side. And this is the atrium. You can say that right auricle or right atrium. This is the right auricle. And this one is the left auricle. Both the chambers are attached with a conical shape ventricle. This is the ventricle. It has only one chamber of ventricles, not two. Human being, there are two chambers of ventricles and two of auricles. How the circulatory system can take place in frog? This is the right auricle. Whole deoxygenated blood from body comes into the right auricle. Just in front of the auricle, one opening structure also present. This is called sinus venosus. This is called sinus venosus. This is the open chamber. The deoxygenated blood from whole body comes into this chamber. This is the deoxygenated blood. You can say that DOB, deoxygenated blood. Firstly, the deoxygenated blood from the whole body comes into the right auricle, and in which chamber? This is the open chamber. This present only in the right auricle, not in the left auricle. and which is known as sinus venosus. It contains the deoxygenated blood. From here, this blood comes into the ventricle. And the second chamber, which is towards the left side, which is known as left auricle. The oxygenated blood comes through the pulmonary vein from the lungs, comes into this chamber. This contains oxygenated blood, so we represent this chamber with the red dot, because the oxygenated blood which is seen in red color, this is the oxygenated blood. And this chamber contains deoxygenated blood, because this blood contains carbon dioxide dissolved in it. So this is blue in color, which is known as deoxygenated blood. Blood from the right auricle, deoxygenated, and oxygenated blood from the left auricles comes into the ventricle. Suppose this is the deoxygenated blood, and same, the oxygenated blood also comes into the ventricle, because in frog the heart contains three chambers. One is ventricle and two are auricles. So the mixing of blood, oxygenated and deoxygenated, can take place in the ventricle. From here, this blood passes into the lungs as well as to the body by the cavity. This is the cavity. Through the oxygenated blood went into the body. होल बॉडी में कहां से, यहां से पास आउट होकर के कहां जाएगा, ये मिड में जाकर के दो चैम्बर में डिवाइड हो जाती है. दिस पिट कैन बी डिवाइडेड इनटू टू चैम्बर्स और टू कैनल्स. यू कैन से दैट वन इज towards the lungs and one is towards the body, and the second one is towards the body. The canal which goes to the lungs and the blood vessel which goes to the lungs, that is known as pulmonary artery. This is the pulmonary artery. This canal, this tube take the deoxygenated blood into the lungs. यानी ये deoxygenated blood को कहां से, वेंट्रिकुलर से deoxygenated blood को कहां लेके जाएगी, मींस इट इज द मिक्सिंग ऑफ deoxygenated as well as oxygenated. कोई जरूरी नहीं कि इसमें deoxygenated ही जाएगा. Some part of oxygenated mixed blood is also passed through these chambers, and this tube is known as pulmonary artery, which take the oxygenated as well as deoxygenated blood into the lungs, and the other tubes which take the oxygenated blood to the oxygenated as well as क्योंकि इसमें तो सारा का सारा वेंट्रिकल में तो सारा का सारा मिक्सिंग है, तो ये कोई जरूरी थोड़ी है कि इसमें सारा अपने आप ही फिल्टर होके जाएगा. इसके अंदर भी बॉडी पार्ट्स में भी जो ब्लड पास आउट होगा वो पास आउट ब्लड मिक्सिंग में होता है, एंड दिस गोज टू द होल बॉडी, और बॉडी में जाएगा, इसलिए इसको क्या बोलते हैं, सिस्टेमेटिक कैनल. दिस इज नोन एज सिस्टेमेटरी कैनल. Through this systematic canal, the blood oxygenated as well as deoxygenated pass through the ventricle to the body. और इस प्रकार से इसमें सर्कुलेशन होता है. But as we know that in human being there are four chamber. Heart circulate in our blood circulate in our heart twice, so that is called double circulation. And this is also the blood circulates means deoxygenated blood comes into the right atrium to ventricle to lungs, और लंग से पास आउट होकर ऑक्सीजनेटेड फिर यहां आ जाता है. लेकिन इसके अंदर मिक्सिंग है, तो डबल सर्कुलेशन तो इसमें हो रहा है. डबल सर्कुलेशन कैन टेक प्लेस इन फ्रॉग्स, बट इट इज incomplete because in ventricle it contains only one chamber, so the oxygenated and deoxygenated blood mixing, therefore in frog it is known as incomplete double circulation. This is the circulatory system can be take place in frog. Now we have already studied about the heart. Heart has 3 chambers, 2 auricle, 1 ventricle. The next component is blood. In blood, there are 3 cells also present, just like as human being. RBC, red blood cells, WBCs, white blood cells, and third, platelets. But in frog, these are known as thrombocyte cells. Thrombocyte cells, just as platelets. There is more differences between the human being cells as well as in frog. In human being, RBC immature stage contain nucleus in human being, but after gaining maturity they lose the nucleus. Means human being के अंदर RBC mature stage में anucleated होती है, there is no nucleus present. But in frog this is nucleated. Means RBC in frog is nucleated, whether it is immature or mature. And thrombocyte cell, human being platelets are anucleated. Means there is no nucleus present. RBC में और nucleus thrombocyte cell के अंदर human being में nucleus नहीं होता. Thrombocyte में तो कहीं नहीं होता, लेकिन RBC में human being में जब immature stage होती है तब तो nucleus होता है. लेकिन जैसे ही सेल मैच्योर हो जाती हैं तो उसमें न्यूक्लियस खत्म हो जाता है. लेकिन फ्रॉग में तो वेदर द सेल इज मैच्योर और अनमैच्योर, इट कंटेन्स न्यूक्लियस. एंड सेकंड मोर डिफरेंस इज इन थ्रोम्बोसाइट. दीज आर द थ्रोम्बोसाइट सेल्स. These thrombocyte cells contain a prominent nucleus. In frog, thrombocyte cell contain nucleate, whereas in human being there is no nucleus present in platelets or thrombocyte cell. This is the component of blood. And the third one is blood vessels. The tubes through the blood circulates are known as blood vessels. These are the tubules. वो ट्यूबुल जिनमें से ब्लड सर्कुलेट करता है. Those are called blood vessels. There are 3 blood vessels just like as human being: artery, vein, and capillaries. Clear? Second more, it contains incomplete double circulation. The blood passes out from one organ to another organ in the blood vessels. Therefore, closed circulatory system can be present or can be found in frog. It contains closed circulatory system. One more thing, as we know that in human being, the blood from left ventricle to all parts, the body of the whole parts are circulated by the aorta, the largest artery. So in human being, circulation is known as atriocirculation because the circulation through artery. But in frog, this is 2 types of circulation. Means venous से vein से भी होता है और artery से भी होता है. So it is known as arteriovenous circulation. Arteriovenous circulation which takes place in frog. This the whole circulatory system can be present in frog.